Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Danny. I mainly do like DIY videos and this is one of them. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably noticed I haven't posted anything in a few months. Life's just been crazy. I apologise. Really bad YouTuber. But I'm back and I've got more DIY ones for you. I've got like a pile of projects, so we're going to try and get through these and we're going to do it together. First, before I jump right into this video, I just want to say a massive shout out. If you were at Motley Crue on the 1st of July at Wembley Stadium, so it's the Motley Crue and Def Leppard gig, and you came up to me before we went in to the stadium and said that you watched my YouTube channel and that you wanted a picture with me. I've forgotten your name, I'm so sorry, but you made my freaking day. Like, I'm sorry if I came across awkward as well. I'm not used to that. Way shyer than I appear online. But thank you so much. I hope you liked the photo and I really hope you enjoyed the gig. So now that's all done and said, today's video is I'm going to be turning these jeans, these plain black jeans, these are my Levi's 711s, I think, don't quote me on that. I've had them for years. Basically they've started getting knees in now, so it is time to give them the chop. I don't like throwing jeans out. I'd always rather try and upcycle them, and I love the distressed jeans look, and obviously it's summer, so what better time to actually sit down and just do it. So if you want to see how I turn these jeans into shorts, stay watching and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to need a few things to turn these jeans into shorts. A cup of tea is of course optional, as is the guitar pick that's on my table. We're going to need some fabric scissors, sharper the better, some tweezers, a lint roller because mine are covered in cat hair because cat mum life, and your jeans. So now we're going to get onto the cutting. I've laid my jeans out flat and made sure they're folded in half at the same length. So make sure that corner bit in the groin area is equal as is the top. And then slice from the bottom. Most normal people would measure this on themselves first, but I can't be dealing with that. So now we're going to take the scissors and put a slit, well, two slits, equal distance apart, like on the one side of the jeans, and then check that it hasn't gone through the pocket. We're going to use the tweezers, and you're going to want to do this in the downwards motion, like you can see some close-ups coming. You want to pull out the threads that are going up and down, like following that line, because that's what's going to give you that distressed look, leaving in the lengthways ones. Is that the right word? Lengthways ones, yeah. So just do that, and then I'm going to put in some more slices in because that wasn't enough for me. I needed more in there. And this is where you can have some fun, because this is just, you do you. Put as much detail in as you want or not. But as you can see what I meant about the pulling the up and down ones out. And that gives you that cool little distress pattern. And then I didn't quite like the length, so here you can see me just measuring it on my legs and taking even more off because I like mine short. I also do it at diagonal because then the inside is longer, so you don't get your thighs rubbing together, and then obviously the outside is the shorter part. Again with the tweezers, we're going to go in and this time pull at a diagonal, because all we're doing is we're not taking any threads out, we're just fraying it. So I did some slashes in here. The camera stopped working as I put these in, but I put some slashes on that side and then frayed them out again with the tweezers. And now here I'm just taking the scissors on a flat, be very careful because these are stupidly sharp, you don't want to cut yourself, and I'm just dragging them over the denim to give it just some distressed look around where wear and tear would normally happen on jeans. Then on the back I'm making a little hole by the pocket and pulling that one out. That will distress more over time, and then the same as we did on the front, just in the corner of the pocket, just slicing it up with the scissors. There's no rhyme or reason to this, it's just going for it because that is an area where it wear and tear as well, and then shake them out. thanks for watching. I hope you liked this journey of getting these from jeans into these absolutely cute shorts. What I love about doing the distressed shorts is you just start it like this, and then the more you wear them and the more you put them in the machine and wash them, the more and more distressed they get. So it's perfect. These are going to be perfect for summer. I'm probably going to wear them all the time now. It's so nice to be able to wear these Levi's again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.